know you guys have seen me talk about how the next Craft or Craft Challenge is coming up, and I want to talk about that real quick to see how you can get featured on there. So if you want to craft along with us, it could be on any of our challenges, any of our past challenges or current challenges. You can make your version of it. So even if you wanted to go back to, say, the Valentine's Day one, you could do that one. Or if you wanted to do the flower one, you could do that. Just go look at what the rules were and then create your own project and then send us a picture. It's really easy to share the pictures with us. You can do it on Instagram, where all you have to do is tag Chaz and I, and don't forget the hashtag of Craft or Craft. And then you can join our Craft or Craft Facebook group, which is free, so you should definitely join that. And you can share it there. And then everybody else in the group can see it too. So hopefully we'll build a community around this of people that are just loving to make things and craft things and share things. So that's what we're shooting for. And then the last way that you can share it is you can email the photo directly to Chaz or I. And I'll have the email addresses down in the description. So those are the different ways you can share your projects with us. If your project is chosen, we will share it at the end of our future Craft or Craft Challenge videos. So it's fun. People can see what other people are doing, and we're just so excited about it. So be sure to do that. Remember, Instagram, Facebook, or just send it to us directly. And you guys are all amazingly crafty people, so do it, give it a try, have fun with it. We can't wait to see it.